In today's STEMMA class, we explored the solar system. Using flashcards, the students memorised the order of the planets and then organised model planets in a sandbox for a hands-on experience. Afterwards, they coloured their planet worksheets, reinforcing their learning with creativity. Great problem solving and sequencing skills were demonstrated by everyone.
At night. It's the closest to the sun when it spins around. So in the day, red hot, very, very hot. Night. Which one do you think it is? Mercury. Venus, sorry. Which one? Which one? No. No, not that one. It's like orange and yellow. It's orange and yellow and small. Yeah. That's number 2. Good job. All right, next one. Like this one as well. So we've got browns and blacks. Yeah. Yeah, so the ring